to Mr. Hallelujah Maths class. Now we have a problem that we have to peruse this minute. Now we have to evaluate 9 raised to the power of 2x minus 1 multiplied by 3 raised to the power of 3x minus 1 equal to 27 raised to the power of 3 of x plus 1. So now let us solve. We know that 9 can be written as 3 raised to the power of 2 into 2x minus 1 multiplied by 3 raised to the power of 3x minus 1 equal to, now 27 can be written as 3 raised to the power of 3 because 3 times 3 is 9 times 3 is 27. So at this point we are going to write 3 raised to the power of 3 into x plus 3. So at this point now you can see that the base here are the same, but let us first of all work on the powers. If we open this bracket here, it means 2 will multiply everything inside this bracket. So we will now have it as 2 into 2 will give us 4x, 2 multiply minus 1 will give us minus 2, multiply by 3 raised to the power of 3x minus 1 equal to 3. 3 goes into this will give us 3x. 3 multiply 9 will give us 3 multiply 3 will give us 9. So at this point now, we are going to apply law of indices on this part that says that when the base are the same, you take one of the base and add their powers. So on that note, let's collect one of the base 3 and we add their powers. 4x minus 2 plus 3x minus 1 equal to 3 raised to the power of 3x plus 9. At this point now, if you look at these powers, you see that we have like terms. 4x plus 3x will give us 7x. Minus 1 minus 2 will give us minus 3, so we rewrite it. 3 raised to the power of 7x minus 3 equal to 3 raised to the power of 3x plus 9. At this point, the base are the same. Now, when the base are the same like this, you can equate it, you cancel it. So the base will cancel out. At this point, we will now write the powers. Let's start from here. 7x minus 3 equal to 3x plus 9. At this point, we collect like terms. 3x will move to the left hand side and it becomes 7x minus 3x. While minus 3 will move to the right hand side, it becomes 9 plus 3. On that note, 7x minus 3x will give us 4x. Will give us 4x equal to 9 plus 3 will give us 12. So at this point, for us to get our x, we are going to divide both sides by 4. If we divide both sides by 4, 4 will cancel 4 here, x will stand alone. 12 divided by 4 will give us 3. Therefore, our final answer is equal to 3. S is equals to 3. Thanks for watching. Meanwhile, do well to follow, like, subscribe, and share.